I wanted to show you my magnolia bush here, magnolia tree, before the storm rolls in that's aiming to come in. This is my pink magnolia in the backyard. Wind's already starting to pick up a little bit here, and it's knocking some of the petals off my tree. But it's always so pretty in the spring when it blooms. It blooms again toward fall, but not as pretty as it does right now. But there's my pink magnolia, and I thought you'd get a kick out of seeing that out here in my garden. So I hope you enjoyed this little shorty video. Check out all my URLs down there in the description of the video, with my Etsy store and my Patreon, my Twitter, Twitch, and Instagram. And of course, join me for my live shows on Twitch at 3 p.m. Eastern Time, Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And my YouTube live show at 8 p.m. on Monday evenings, Eastern Time. Just kind of enjoying the fresh air out here a little bit today before that old storm rolls in. I'll try to angle this up a little bit. Maybe you can see them old storm clouds up there in the sky. But pretty magnolia bush before the storm comes in and blows all the blooms off of it. So y'all have a good day, and remember, Brenda's crafty. Be like Brenda.